Okay, it's May 31st, 2024. We are planting Chisholm fescue from Warner Brothers Seed Company in Lawton, Oklahoma. We have already put on 844 fertilizer, and this is about half an acre, maybe a little bit more. It's 29,000 square feet from what we figured. Thereabouts, 29,000 square feet. We've already put the fertilizer down. We used the regular old bag. Put it over your shoulder and go out and spread. And a little hand crank. So it's been fertilized. Now, the owner here, Roger Felpage, he's got the roller rolling this fertilizer into the soil, and then we'll turn around and broadcast Chisholm fescue, Warner Brothers Seed Company, Lawton, Oklahoma. We are doing this for deer habitat, and it's an experiment. All we know is that it's an experiment for deer habitat. Lord bless us, Lord bless us, Lord bless us. All right, that's all we got for now.